Hello students, my name is Anju Arora and I am from Euro International Bhiwadi branch. In the today's class, I will teach you about the kinds of adverb. As always, before starting the topic, I would like to describe what is adverb. So let's see the definition of the adverb. An adverb is a word which modifies the meaning of a verb, an adjective or another adverb. Let's understand by the example how adverb modifies the verb, adjective and the other adverb. As you can see in the picture, the first example is girls run quickly. So find out the verb here. Verb is the runs here. Run is the action word. So it is the verb here. Now quickly tells us that about how girls run. So quickly is the adverb here which modifies the meaning of the verb. Now, let's take the next example. The next example is this is a very sweet mango. So, what is the adjective here? Adjective is the sweet here. Now, which word describe the intensity of the sweetness? Yes, very is describing about the sweetness of the mango. So, very is an adverb here. Let's move to the next example then. The next example is Peter reads quite clearly. Here clearly describe an action how Peter reads. So it is an adverb here. But the word quite is used here to describe the adverb clearly. So quite is an adverb here and it is actually describing another adverb clearly. There are the five types of the adverb. Adverb of time, adverb of place, adverb of manner, adverb of degree and adverb of frequency. So let's get started about the kinds of adverb. The first adverb is adverb of time. This adverb provides information about the time when the verb take place. This includes now, yesterday, tomorrow, later, yet, already, today, last month, year, soon. Let's understand by the example. The first example is I started school yesterday. Here we are able to know that I started school. But when I started, yesterday I started. So, yesterday is an adverb of time here. Let's take the next example. Next month I will buy a house. In this sentence, I will buy a house. But when I will buy, the next month I will buy. So, these examples describing us about an action when exactly the action happened. The next kind of adverb is adverb of place, which tells us where the verb is taking place. This includes away, outside, in front, inside, over, under, here, there, upstairs, towards. For example, the cat is playing outside. Here, the sentence telling cat is playing. But where it is playing? By using outside, we are telling the place where cat is playing. So, outside is an adverb. Let's take one more example. She was hiding behind the sofa. In this sentence, it is telling she was hiding. But where she was hiding? Behind the sofa. So, behind is an adverb here, as I am telling the location where she was hiding. So, adverb of place gives the answer about where. Let's look into the next kind of adverb, which is adverb of manner. These adverbs provides information about how a verb is done. This includes beautifully, happily, peacefully, slowly, quietly, easily, cheerfully, loudly, secretly. Let's understand by the example. He spoke loudly. Loudly is describing us the manner in which he spoke. Hence, it is an adverb. Let's look into another example. The next example is they played happily. Here, we are able to know they played, but happily is describing the manner in which they played. So, happily is an adverb here, as this adverb describe the manner in which action is performed. So, they are called adverb of manner. Now, let's move to the next kind of adverb, which is adverb of degree. These adverb describe us level or intensity of adverb, adjective or other adverb. This includes quite, almost, barely, very, completely, just, absolutely, fully, hardly. Let's understand it by the example. The first example is I have almost finished my homework. This sentence is telling us I have finished my homework. But how much I finished my homework? Almost I finished my homework. Let's understand it by taking one more example. I completely agree with you. This sentence tells us that yes, I am agree with you. But how much I am agree? I completely agree that. It means it tells us about the intensity of something. It means adverb of degree gives us the answer about how much. Now, if I talk about the next kind of adverb, which is adverb of frequency, which tells us how often something occurs. This includes always, usually, normally, frequently, sometime, occasionally, seldom, rarely, never. Let's understand it by the example. She regularly visits the park. We are able to know that she visits the park, but how often she visits? Regularly. So regularly is the adverb of frequency. Let's understand it by one more example. I occasionally eat pizza. As we are able to know that I ate pizza. How often I ate? Occasionally. The word occasionally mentioned here, that is the adverb which tells us that how often I eat pizza. Occasionally I eat pizza. I hope you understand the concept that. Thanks for watching.